What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to get the referral bonus for the Binance application. In order to get the referral bonus, you need to first refer this application to some of your friends or anybody that you know. For that, the process is very simple. Open up your Binance application and go to the top left corner where your Binance icon is. So once go and tap on the Binance icon, you will see your profile right over here. So underneath your profile, you will see a referral option just right over here. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the referral option. So here what you guys can do is to simply copy the link and paste the link with your friends and other in order to get the referral bonus. So for that, the process is very simple. So here you can see that it's a time limited offer which says earn together and share together. For example, earn together and look up to 1000 USDC each. So let me go and invite my friends. Just all I have to do is to tap on this code, and once I do it, this is my referral ID, this is my referral link. All I have to do is I can download the picture as well or simply copy the code. So I'll be providing this code in the my description of the video. So if you guys join it through my link, you will get an extra 10 USDT bonus. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful.